how to enable or disable NFC Verbose vendor debug log on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search NFC Verbose vendor debug log. From here, scroll down and search. You will see NFC Verbose vendor debugging log is here. So if you want to disable enable, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see NFC Verbose vendor debugging log is enable. So if you want to disable, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see NFC Verbose vendor debug log is disabled. So you will enable or disable from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable NFC Verbose vendor debug log on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.